In primetime news this evening, reduced budget forces Crime Stop to pivot.
Residents take measures to make communities safer after child is sexually assaulted.
And later, lucky escape, how one man's quest to capture a pig almost cost him his life. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm. Janella, the Bank of Jamaica has decided to keep its policy interest rate, but what are the projections for inflation? And how will Jamaica strengthen its ties with Latin America? Answers to those and more later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Renardo is here with a preview. Well, he's marked, I should say, with what's coming up in Primetime Sports. It's an inside joke. Just go ahead.
Well, it is. Probably we'll share it. Well, major developments in the $222 million in sports fraud case after accused returned to court today, and West Indies lose to, guess who? Nepal, to concede T20 series trailing 2-0 on 3-match tour. We'll tell you all about those and much more in Primetime Sports.
Did he just say Nepal?
He said Nepal. I did.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
So, this evening we're asking, how can flooding in low-lying areas be better prevented and managed?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.